Everyone, somebody took his dog out on the water kayaking. That is so cool. The dog look enjoying. Hi. The dog look enjoying himself or herself. That is so neat. That is so cool. That's a nice way to enjoy a hot and humid day. That is so neat. These are for all dog lovers everywhere around the world. This video is made for you. That is so neat. Oh, goodness. That is so cool. The dog seems to enjoy himself or herself. Oh yeah. Oh, that is so cute. How cute. How much? I mean, talking about man's best friend there. You gotta take everywhere. You gotta take your best friend everywhere. Because that is man's best friend, everyone. Oh, what a nice, relaxing evening on the water at the lake, everyone. This is what I call reconnect with nature. This is exactly what I mean when I say reconnect with nature.
This is like 20 fishermen before. I would have to set this up if I had an SUV.
And then you get a kayak too. Like him, like that guy with a dog.
The last guy with $1.3 billion wasn't
Sure is that your uncle? Cousin. But they interview him, and he say, I want to trade all the money I win to be cancer free. See, he been struggling with cancer for 8 years. Yeah. Money does not buy happiness, everyone. It doesn't matter what you believe, but money does not buy good health and happiness. That's all I can say about that. Look at that man. What a nice way to spend an evening on the water with your best friends, with your furry four-leg best friend, everyone. Oh, he go all the way to the island over there where all the birds and the geese live. And yep, he gonna go to the island with his kayak. Beautiful. Yep, over there's an island right there where all the bird and the geese we come out there. It's like a peninsula. Peninsula. I don't see the heron coming back tonight. I saw him last night. It's almost like a private island over there. Well, if you have a canoe, you can come over there. Or even a kayak, you can come over there and do a little explorations, a little adventures. And if you have binocular, you can even bird watching too, everyone. Yep. Yeah, everywhere we go, we're advertising for the Reston and Herndon concert. I mean, I've been going for 25 years.
Just so you have nothing else to do.
Yeah, we told the Spanish couple.
Here, right? You come on Wednesday.
We told the Spanish
right
couple last night
here,
too.
You know? Yeah, but it's kind of like Fairfax County parks. That's what you do.
You guys live in Furry?
Yeah, they wouldn't even hit on that.
No, I used to for 25 years Reston.
Oh, Reston.
Yeah, but
So
I moved to Fortune after COVID, downsizing. But for 25 years, I live in Reston. They have a lot of lakes and a lot of biking trail, and and even the swimming pool alone, they have a dozen of outdoor swimming pool.
The town is pretty nice.
Yeah, Reston Town Center,
Yeah.
pretty good. Except now they charge. Used to be free parking, now they charge for parking,
Oh, really?
which is stupid because now it chased a lot of people away. Yep.
The biggest county
$15 per person.
So I never did.
$15. And Vienna Festival free, right? Vienna Festival free. Herndon Festival free.
Usually every springtime we just look like free concert, free festivals, Or in Northern Virginia, they just pop up, left and right, they tell you where.
Because you go there, you buy food and you buy all kinds of. Who wanna pay to get in, People dress up and come out here and take
He put his big basket.
video and selfie. That's cute.
I caught one big one. And I come back. You don't catch no fish yet.
You can't take break. You gotta catch another big mouth bass.
Run right Joe.
You cannot take breaks. You gotta back to fishing.
Hold on.
Manny said you cannot take break. You gotta catch a second big mouth bass.
Oh man.
No, I cannot pick my walleye.
Oh, you want a walleye? Well, he want a snakehead.
My wallet is empty. So
You want a snakehead and you want a walleye.
Darn it. We're working on shallow there because they won't snack weed,
Ooh,
She just barked.
okay.
bite them.
I know the Chihuahua, they don't like kids, But you're not a Chihuahua.
She's a Pomeranian.
What's your name? What her name?
Roxy.
Roxy! There's a song named Roxy. Hey. All right, you don't want to talk to
She don't want to
stranger.
be in the video.
You don't want to talk to. Really?
Yeah.
Serious?
Look at
Wow,
her.
she
Another
knows.
shot.
Even I'm just taking photo in between. Okay, all right, I'll leave you alone. I respect your wish. and your privacy. Nice knowing you.
She's like,
Good luck on fishing. Hopefully you guys catch something.
yeah.
Either bass or crappie or catfish. I love catfish.
You love catfish?
Because I love it, no bone, you know. Other fish have a lot of...
Yeah, they have a lot of bones.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Yeah.
I don't like the tiny bone,
Terrible.
you know. But fish or not, it's nice to be out here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we want to catch snakehead, but it's so hard, so hard.
And it's hard.
The snakehead is so hard to catch.
For how long y'all been here?
Oh, look at that beautiful cloud. And the sunset too, everyone. Look at the beautiful cloud and sunset right in front of my eye. Beautiful, beautiful sunset. The cloud is turning orange color. Absolutely gorgeous.
You know what? Like I said, like tide, I think they make it like, you know, the hair thing. Yeah, it's actually a taxi on this place, so I tried on this one. Oh, yeah. Oh, here we go again. Oh, boy. I don't know, 1 hour.
Look, the sunset, beautiful. Sunset on the water. Look at it. Beautiful sunset. Thank you for watching, everyone. Till next time, you want a wonderful, relaxing evening with your friends and your family. And, yep, stay strong, healthy, and happy. Stay strong, healthy, and happy. God bless, and Buddha blessed.